Bonjour, bonjour, and welcome to the third video. Ever struggled with mastering French, especially the art of conversation? Well, that's where I come in. I'm all about coaching French in a way that's radically different from your usual language courses. Let me take you through how I work with my clients using the Joëlette method. It's all about empowering professionals like you to dive confidently into French conversations, even if you're just starting out. Trust me, it's not your typical language coaching you've seen around. Why am I so focused on French conversation? Because nailing the art of conversation in French isn't just about communication. It's about the true self-expression. Think about it as if you're a performer using someone else's words, a script, to express your unique, quirky self. That's what I aim to help you achieve. Now, I'm not just any language coach. I've spent over 2 decades using English as a second language and learning multiple others. So, I get it. I've been through the ropes and tested every technique I share with you on myself first. Let's break it down. Learning a foreign language doesn't follow the same rules as other subjects of school. I've got some surprising performing techniques up my sleeve that'll turbocharge your French learning journey. With me, you'll be diving into the Joëlette method, and it's not just a language learning technique, it's an experience. Total Immersion Experience 2.0 is at the core. I'm here to make the program work for you, not the other way around. And here's the kicker. Mastering the 50 rules of French pronunciation in just 4 days using the deep practice technique. That's right. We're going to make those pronunciation rules your second nature using the Art of Confident Conversations methodology. But our immersive approach is more than conversations. It's about making it work for you. That's where the French Connection framework steps in. We'll cover sentence structure, conversation techniques, and dive into French culture. And guess what? You won't need to beg the natives to slow down anymore. We've got techniques that will help you holding conversations in French confidently without missing a beat. I'm here to turn you from a hesitant learner into a vibrant conversationalist. We'll be doing some ear gymnastics, sense memory exercises, and even the Godfather effect. Yes, it's that unique. So, if you're ready to transform your French conversation skills and step into the world of confident conversation in French, I've got the right tools, the techniques, and an innovative approach waiting for you. Watch the last video to find out how you can sign up to the Joëlette Signature Program. See you there!